Hello and welcome to Blue Sky Graphics. We are honoured to have you with us. Here at Blue Sky Graphics, we are a leading online graphic design school led by industry and expert leading tutors delivering one-to-one online classes. We've been teaching for just over 10 years, enhancing creative curiosities and preparing future graphic designers for the real world. Driven by passion and performance, we are purely dedicated to the art of graphic design. Our website and enrolment registration information can be found at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Here in this video, we're going to be using Photoshop and we're going to be using advanced masks. The aim is to merge the image and work with the eraser tool. We're creating a mask throughout the page and then duplicating the image. We'll then add some of the text to show the entire contents of the image. With all of this, we're able to use Photoshop and think outside the box to create a minimalist manipulation. For those that don't know, Photoshop is the industry standard software when it comes to editing. In fact, Photoshop is used in real life and the limits are truly endless. There are two types of masks for those that are unaware of what masks are. There's a layer mask and a clipping mask. The layer mask uses values of grey to assign levels of transparency to specific portions of a layer or a group of layers, while a clipping mask uses the transparency of one layer to define that of a different layer. A layer is something that you apply to a given layer to control the transparency of that layer. So for example, where layer opacity controls the transparency of the entire layer at once, a mask gives you more precise controls over very specific areas. Merging layers and using masks in Photoshop is something that you do as part of the graphic design course, and for more information, please get in touch.